Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. You have probably encountered situations where you have a Word document in a two-column format and you want to separate a part of it and convert it to a single column format. Often the files students work on, such as their articles, are in a two-column layout. To solve this issue, here's what you need to do. Place your cursor where you want to create single column section. I have enabled um, paragraph marks so you can see where I press enter. Press enter here and then set cursor here and then go to layout tab, click on the bricks and select continuous. Press enter again and then go back to the same menu and select section break continuous one more time. Here you can see that your section break created here. Set as a cursor here and then go to layout tab and column section and change the columns to 1. You see here that you have a part of your document that is in one column format. To verify if everything is correct, press enter several times to move the section break down. Now, in the single column area, you can insert your table or image without affecting the two-column format of the rest of the document. Here, you can insert your, for example, table. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support our channel. Good luck.